guys, I'm Brick. Today, we will be reviewing the Xiaomi VIOMI V2 Pro vacuum cleaner. This V2 Pro is a good house assistant, which includes several parts: the rubber vacuum cleaner, a charging dock, a dust bracket, a water tank, a dust tank, and a 2-in-1 water and dust tank. Undoubtedly, the rubber vacuum cleaner is the main component. The round set above the rubber is a laser radar. It works with the infrared receiving sensor, the boundary sensor, and the collision sensor, which used to detect the surroundings and avoid the collisions in advance. This is the charging dock. The rubber vacuum cleaner will return to charge automatically when the rubber stopped cleaning or battery down. In case the V2 rubber vacuum cleaner running out of battery, we can move the rubber to the charging dock as well. Open the top cover. Install the 2-in-1 swipe and mop dustbin and the side brush. The dust and other rubbish could be swiped through the rolling brush and absorbed into the dustbin. Press it for a little longer. The rubber will start. Pair with the Mijia app. All the operations should be controlled by this app. From this app, we can see the status or cleaning map of the rubber, the cleaned area, remaining power, and the cleaning time are displayed on the screen. Click the overall cleaning button. It replies 3 modes: overall cleaning, mopping cleaning, side sweeping. Also, it has the function to reserve time. We can set a proper time, then it will start cleaning at a specific time. Side sweeping will swipe the dust and rubbish. Mopping cleaning will mop the floor. And the overall cleaning is the mode mixture with swipe and mop. We can easily switch the modes to swipe and mop the floor for deep cleaning, and it will finish all the things quietly. Short press the power button to suspend cleaning. Press again to restart it. It can clear the whole house and memorize it as a map. Next time, it will use it to plan a Z-shaped route. Also, we can set a zone cleaning for it to clear. It runs for up to 2 hours, then automatically returns to its charge base to recharge and resume cleaning the unfinished work. Swipe in the high table. It is supported with anti-drop function, which will avoid falling down automatically. It can cross obstacles up to 2 cm high, including common thresholds or other things. When you sweating during your push-ups and some other exercises, the rubber vacuum cleaner will mop the sweat easily. The Xiaomi VIOMI V2 rubber vacuum cleaner is really convenient. You can put the floor cleaning behind your head with this rubber. Okay guys, that's a review of the Xiaomi VIOMI V2 Pro rubber vacuum cleaner. What's your opinion towards this rubber? Comment below and share this video if you like it. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye!